Hi, in this video we will see how we can sort by frequency of second element in tuple list. So it is seems to be a bit confusing. So we'll look into it and we will see a method using sorted plus loop plus default dictionaries and lambda. So we will use all these functions and let's see how we can do it. So as you can see here we will use sorted function, then we will use for loops, then we will use default dictionaries and also lambda function into it. And in this we compute the frequency using default dictionary and use this result to pass as parameter to lambda function to perform sorting using sorted on the basis of it. So let's code for it and you'll get more ideas, or you will be cleared on it. So before using the default dictionary or default dict function, we have to import it from collections module. So from collections import default dict. Yeah, we have imported our default dict. Then test list. So the test list will be, so let's see. So we will have the tuples in our list, the pair of tuples. So we will say we have 6 comma 5 comma, then we have 2 comma 7, then let's say we have 2 comma 5, then 8 comma 7, 8 comma 7, then let's say we have 9 comma 8 comma 3 comma 7. Yeah, so this is our tuple or list inside tuple. Tuples, more one or more tuples inside our list. So we have this list. Then let's print this original list, which says print the original list is comma test list. Now let's see the frequency. So frequency is equal to, the frequency will be given by the default dict which we imported from collections module. So default dict, and we'll pass in this int. So we'll get all the integer values from it. Now let's see. Now let's run a for loop. So for loop. So for idx and val. So idx and val in test list. In test list. So in test list, as you can see, we have a pair. So idx will be 6 and val will be 5 in test list in each iteration. So here we have this. Then we just increment the map frequency map val. So frequency map val equals, or we can say plus equals 1. So the frequency of this value of from the second, or the second element of the tuple will be incremented by 1 of each of the tuples or each of the unique values. And we have this. Now let's run the sorted function. So res is equal to sorted. So what do we sort? So sorted is res is equal to sorted. Then we give in the test list. We have our test list. We give the our list, our original list. Then key equals. Then the key equals the lambda function. So in lambda function, the element in frequency. So frequency map and ele 1. So the element 1 means the second one, which is 5 7 5 7 and 8 and 7. So the element 1 of frequency map. Now what we'll do is we'll reverse equals true. and then that's all. We'll print out sorted list of tuples. Sorted list of tuples. Let's print out the sorted list of tuples, and then I'll tell you what I did and what does this all code do. Frequency map is not defined. Freq map, freq map. How is it not defined? It's a freq map. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it is sorted by frequency of second element. So the second element's frequency, so 7's frequency was more as the second element of tuple. So we have sorted according to it, and we have this three elements first, and then we have the 5 because 5 occurred two times. Then we have this two tuples, and then we have this third tuple which had only 8 only once in the whole list. So this is what this code does, and what this is what sort by frequency of the second element in tuple list means. So we will see what this res and what we did in sorted. So in sorted, we give the test list which we had over here. We had the test list over here. Then this what this will do is, so the lambda function will take on the element. Which element it would take? So it would take the frequency map ELE1. So frequency map will be over here. So it will take the element 1. The element 1 is the second element from each tuple. So it will take the unique, or it will have the occurrences of each of the elements or each of the second elements in the tuple in frequency map, and it will be as key stored into the default dict. So we'll give this key to the frequency map of this default dict, and we will have our sorted list according to the second element in the tuple. And when we pass in this reverse is equal to true, so we will have the maximum occurrences first, then minimum, and then the least minimum. But if what if we don't write the reverse is equal to true? So what it will do is, the 8 will be first, then we will have 5, then we will have this all 7s. So that's all from this video. I hope you like the video, and if you do like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, put down in the comment section below and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.